Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to play with friends in Monopoly Go. Now it's an extremely easy process. So firstly just simply open the game. Now once your game is opened, just simply close all the pop-ups that might appear in front of you. Now firstly, in order to actually play with your friends, you will need to land on a railroad, and this is the railroad over here. So you need to play some dice and you will need to land on the railroad, and then you'll be able to play with your friends. But before that, there is a key thing that you have to keep in mind. So the important thing that you have to keep in mind is you will need to add a multiplier before you're going to play the dice. So this is the multiplier right over here. Now, in order to actually use the multipliers, you will need to have at least 100 to 150 dice, because when you will have that much dice, you will have the option to enable a higher amount of multiplier. Like for example, 10x. Or 100x or 1000x, whatever amount of dice you have. It will totally depend on that. Now, the amount of multiplier that you will apply is the amount of money that you will get from your friends when you will attack them. So let's say I have a multiplier of 2x, and now just simply lock in go option. So all you have to do is just simply hold on to it and the go option will lock. Now just simply wait until we land on a railroad. Now once you land on a railroad, after that you will notice there is the option of switch opponent at the bottom. Click on it. Now you will have the option of revenge and friend. Now over here you will find all friend and random people. Now if you want to target a specific friend, go to the friend section, and over here you will find the same list, but it's all your friends. Now to attack a particular friend, all you have to do is click on go in front of their name. Now all you have to do is just simply target their city or building and then attack it. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do let's subscribe to our channel and take care.